Alright, we're gonna be putting LEDs in a 05 Acura TL, which ranges from models 04 to 08. And we're using Auxbeam, nice quality LEDs. We're just gonna put them in the box. Let's see. These are the LEDs I got off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description so you know how to get them. First, we're gonna do the passenger side light. So far, I took apart the connector. When you do that, you just unclip it and pinch it. That shit sits down here. I think this is the hardest one to get off. And I'm gonna try to pull the power steering fluid reservoir up. Pull that up, you just pull it straight up and move it out the way. So you have a little bit more room to play with. And down here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see if I can put some light down there so you can see it. Down there, and at the bottom here. It's sitting. Can't even get the camera to get down there. Get down here. There's. God, this thing is deep. It's a little light. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll show you a picture of it, what it's supposed to look like. Oh. Yeah, once you turn it with a stubby, small screwdriver like this one, you should be able to turn it counterclockwise. And let's see, turn it counterclockwise, and it should pull straight out. And there you go. That is my old HID. Now my old fog. Now I'm about to put in my new LED. That shit looks cool. It's got a fan built on it too. By Auxbeam. Let's see. Let's try to put this back in nice and neat. Line it up. There you go. And turn it, and then tighten the. You don't have to turn but the screws, but a few turn the screws and make sure that the LED is positioned upward, because you don't want to be sideways. So I got like mine is not positioned in the right place. Let's turn it to the side, so I need to pull it out and reposition it, make sure it's focused up and down. The LEDs is focused up and down. So your beam pattern won't be right. Let's see. It's supposed to be like that, straight up and down, and the beam pattern be straight. Yeah, let's just go back here and tighten up these 3 screws. I know you're most likely going to feel just to find these things. This locked in place. your battery, take out the negative, positive. Take out the negative first, and then your positive. Then remove the clips here and loosen these and the hooks. Like loosen them with a 10 millimeter 10 millimeter ratchet right here, and just loosen enough where the hooks will come up. And then you're gonna pull straight up, twist out, same back here, and take a 10 to remove your negative and your positive. Also, you gotta remember your radio code, because you might need it to reset your radio and your nav. All right, let's see. Take out this battery and put this off to the side. Get that off, and take this little fiberglass pieces I made up. That's not gonna be on everybody's car. And take out this battery. Take out this battery. Move out my way. There we go. Pull this little plastic piece up right here. Pull the little pins out. You got access to the light, but the filter cover, take that off. Air intake cover, what do you call it? Then it's sitting down here. Now, you know, I'm working in the dark, so reach with me. Gosh, that's the same as the other side. It looks just the same. That's the part you gotta take off. And this is what I get as the end result. Pretty clean, white lights. Both sides. That's the beam.